How to chat with support in KlonDike Adventure. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing KlonDike Adventures and wondering how to chat with support when you run into a problem, here is how you can do it. First of all, open your KlonDike Adventures game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right, this one over here, and then this will open the settings menu where you need to click help. Under the support page, select the chat with us button at the very bottom. Then you'll be able to come across this page where you can chat with automated assistant in whichever help you need. Go ahead and write in your message in the text thread at the bottom. Write clearly what problem you are having. For example, it might be a missing item, stock quest, technical issues. Just go ahead and enter your problem in detail. After writing anything on the screen, you'll be presented with these options below. Go ahead and select your problem type. After making a selection, you'll need to go ahead and answer the questions, select a response, and you'll be guided through the necessary help. So from there, you can go ahead and chat with KlonDike Adventures support whenever you need help during your gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.